Now Assist AI agents provide agentic AI capabilities on the ServiceNow AI Platform. Agentic AI is based on AI agents, autonomous software programs capable of completing complex workflows and handling lots of variables and context-specific information. They can include human oversight and participation, but it's not always required. AI agents contain a set of LLM instructions and the tools to perform the specific tasks. They use these tools to gather data from different sources, such as knowledge articles, knowledge graphs, record operations, or web searches. With that data, they can make decisions and take action. And they typically improve over time, with repeated executions based on earlier successes. Let's clarify how agentic AI is different from generative AI and rule-based automation. Generative AI creates content by learning from existing data and making new content based on user prompts. Rule-based automation follows predetermined rules to perform tasks, making it efficient for repetitive processes, but inflexible to new or changing needs. Agentic AI is dynamic and self-guiding. AI agents can be used as a standalone solution for a specific task. But a team of agents, each completing a specific task, can solve more complex problems. These teams are called agentic workflows. They contain a set of LLM instructions with one or more autonomous AI agents that each perform specific tasks to execute an objective. They are controlled by an AI agent orchestrator. The AI agent communicator coordinates communication between AI agents and the human user. The communicator is invoked when we need to get input from the user, such as confirmation to proceed or to provide some missing information. Agentic AI behaves like specialized construction crews. Let's say we have separate crews on standby that can build houses, apartments, or office buildings. These crews are made up of AI agents. When triggered by a request that meets its specialty, such as building a house, the appropriate crew is deployed to start the project. The crew is made up of specialists, such as plumbers, electricians, and painters, who are equipped with the tools they need to complete their tasks. Leading the crew is the construction manager, who functions like the AI agent orchestrator to autonomously direct the worker agents to the right tasks. The AI agent communicator acts like the project manager by communicating between the home buyer or human user and the construction crew. So if the crew has a question for the home buyer, for example, the communicator will handle that query. Within an agentic workflow, AI agents can coordinate to solve complex problems. Now let's look at the three-step process of creating an agentic workflow. We identify the business need, list the basic steps, and create AI agents. We'll examine the agentic workflow we showed earlier. In the first step, we identify a business need or use case. We want this workflow to resolve a push notification error when an employee is unable to receive or respond to Okta-verified push notifications. The second step is to create a basic scaffold of the steps needed to achieve the goal. We want to diagnose why the user isn't receiving push notifications and then troubleshoot how to fix the problem. If it can't be fixed, we'll ask the user to re-enroll and attempt to log in. If the login is successful, the request is closed and recorded. If the login is unsuccessful, the request is handed off to a human agent. The third step is to create AI agents, which are specialized to complete specific tasks, and give them the tools necessary to complete those tasks, such as scripts, analysis skills, web searches, record operations, catalog items, and so on. When an employee submits a ticket, the orchestrator determines that the diagnostic steps generator agent should be called. The agent receives it and decides to initiate a diagnostic routine. If these checks pass, the orchestrator hands the ticket off to the troubleshooting agent. If the issue persists, the orchestrator hands the ticket off to the re-enrollment agent, which helps the user re-enroll and asks the user to attempt a login. The communicator handles the interaction with the user. If resolved, the agent closes the ticket. If not, the agent hands off the ticket to the orchestrator to escalate to a human AI support agent. Now Assist AI agents provide the building blocks for creating agentic workflows to automate your use cases. Agentic workflows and AI agents are included in Now Assist applications. Use them or create your own custom solutions. To learn more, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.